Subscribe to my channel Making Impossible and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any one of my upcoming videos.
Yo, what's up friends, I'm Laszlo and welcome to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'll be teaching you an amazing card trick, and it's a self-walking card trick friends, and it's very easy to do since it's self-walking. This card trick is used to find any 4 of a kind playing card, or maybe your spectators 4 selection. 4 different spectators selects 4 different playing cards and you're going to find all of them at one time. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video.
I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue.
Okay guys, this is how the card trick looks like. First of all, you're going to take a deck of cards and you can see that all the cards present over here are shuffled. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to give it another shuffle just like this. Okay. Now I'm going to ask my spectator to cut it into 4 equal packets, almost equal. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have got 4 pack of cards, right? Now what we are going to do is we are going to start from this packet, and we are going to just put 3 cards to the bottom of this packet just like this. 3 cards goes down and 1 card on top of each packet, except for this one. So we are going to do the same with the second one. We're going to put down 3 cards just like this, 1, then 2, then 3, and then 3 cards on the top of the other 3 packets. Then the same thing with the third one. We're going to take and we're going to put 3 cards down, 1, 2, 3, and 1 card on top of each packet, right? And now with the last one, the same thing, 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. So it's kind of like mixed up. Everything has been done. You can see everything till now was fair and simple. But if I snap my fingers on each one of these packs, you can see the first cards over here, which I actually put in forward like this. You can see over here that all the cards over here were actually shuffled, and the cards the spectator actually landed on is none other than the 4 aces. And this is a very cool card trick. You can do this anytime, anywhere, with any deck. It just needs a little bit of setup, and after that you can do this card trick very well, and it's very impressive. Okay guys, this is how you're going to do this card trick. First of all, you're going to have a deck of cards and you're going to take out the 4 aces and you're going to keep it on the top 4 cards, in the top 4 position. So you have actually taken out these aces from the entire pack of cards and you have actually kept them on the top of the deck. So that is how you're going to start off with this card trick, and then the card trick actually happens automatically because it's a self-working card trick. And it's so easy and simple to do. So let's get into the procedure. First of all, what you are going to do is you're going to just keep the 4 aces on the top. I'm going to just leave them faced up so that you can understand what is going on every time. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to just shuffle the deck. I'm going to give a riffle shuffle, and what is happening over here, I'm making sure that the 4 aces are on this side of the are on the top of this pack. So I'm going to make sure that this pack ends up last with a lot of more cards on the top, and that will actually ensure me that after shuffling the deck, the 4 cards are on the top of the deck. So after that, I'm going to give this deck a shuffle just like this, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread the deck of cards while these cards were actually turned over. I'll spread the deck of cards without spreading the first cards so that they don't see that the first cards are the aces, and even if they see, they won't notice it because they are not going to know what trick you are going to pull up on them. So the first 4 cards are the aces, as you can see over here. I'm going to keep them faced up, and what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to ask my spectator to cut this entire deck into 4 equal packs, and he or she may cut it like almost equal. It doesn't need to be equal, but I'm going to make sure that and on the last pack, that means on this pack, you should have this top 4 cards that are the 4 aces. So you're going to start off like this, and then you're going to ask your spectator to cut it into 4 equal packs, and your spectator does that. So roughly I'm going to make a card roughly, and you can see we have more cards over here, we have less cards over here, we have more less cards over here. So it really doesn't matter, the spectator can cut into any sequence, any number of cards they can cut onto. So now what is the main trick is, you're going to start off counting. If you saw in my performance, I knew that the 4 aces were here, which were actually face down. So I need to keep that in mind, that this is the pack where the aces are on the top, and I am not going to start off the trick with this pack. So what I did was I started with this pack, and I asked the spectator to count 3 cards to the bottom of this deck, just like this, and put 1 card on top of each other packet, so on the top of every other packet. Then what you're going to do is, you're going to do your spectator, if the spectator wants to do the next move, then obviously he's going to do with this one, because we are going to get into a serial position. So if he does this serially, then he's going to get into this one. So that's why you're going to start off with this packet. Make sure you're not going to start off with this packet. So the first packet's trick is done. Now we are going to do the same trick with the second one. We're going to keep 3 cards to the bottom of this pack and 1 card on top of the other pack. Make sure guys, I'm keeping these cards separated so that you can see what is actually going on. Now I'm doing the same thing with the third one. I'm going to keep 1, 2, 3 cards to the bottom of this packet and 1 card on top of every packet. So here is the sequence. At first I'm putting down 3 cards, then I'm putting 1 card on each and every packet, because that is the thing that we need to do, otherwise it won't work. If I put 1 card on top of each and every packet, then I put 3 cards down to the bottom of the pack, then it's not going to work. So first, this is right now, you can see in this position. What you're going to do at this position is, you're going to do what you actually did with all the other packs. You're going to put down 1, 2 and 3 cards. Now you can see the 4 aces are at the top of this packet, so you don't need to do anything else. You're just going to burn 3 cards down to the deck, to the bottom of this deck. So you did that thing, 1, 2, 3, and this is what happens right now. You put 1, 2, 3, so you put 3 cards on top of this packet. So as it happens, you know very well that these top cards are the 4 aces. So you put this forward and you take all the other packets, combine them together, and then you spread and show your spectator that there are no other duplicate aces over here, and they have actually selected the aces on their own. And that is how your spectators will actually get crazy, that they have done it on their own and they have cut their deck on their own, and how could they possibly end up with the 4 aces. So this is, you know the secret right now, right? And it's very easy to do, so go and pull up this trick. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing self-working card trick. Hit the like button if you did so, and don't forget to check my Instagram profile at @Sol_Zari. And if you have any questions, put them in the comment section or DM me directly to my Instagram profile. Also, don't forget to smash the subscribe button if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.